There's not many things nowadays that I come across on the roads and I don't understand how things work. In this clip, I actually discussed this situation with my pupil, and we've got a fire station on the right, and what we discuss is whether or not that the fire station has control over keeping the lights on red for all the traffic to allow them to emerge when they've got to go off and deal with an emergency. So if there's anyone out there who's a firefighter or anyone who actually controls how these systems are set up and implemented, could you let us know? As I'm sure it would help a lot of people.
I think the fire station has a button that they press which puts everyone's lights on red and allows them to go through. Did you see that?
No.
Fire engine came out, didn't it? And I think they must have a control button that's linked to the lights that stops everyone. It makes everyone wait so they just get a free run out.
Maybe.
I wonder whether that's the case. First time I've ever seen it, but I reckon that could be the case.
Maybe.
It's good if it is.
Yeah.
It's well thought through. How sharp's this one?